This is Simrata Basroor. Today I thought of sharing with you all something. It's an English idiom that is thread lightly. और ये जो है ना, ये मैं अपने लाइफ में भी कई बार यूज़ करती हूँ इन डे टू डे कॉन्वर्सेशंस हो या फिर कभी कभार ये शब्द यूज़ करने बहुत ही ज़रूरी हो जाते हैं सिर्फ दूसरों के लिए नहीं, अपने खुद के विचारों के लिए भी, फॉर माई ओन थॉट प्रोसेस ऑल्सो. Whenever I feel like I'm going down any negative thinking or I'm underestimating myself, then this is like one inner voice for me, So I thought to share it with all of you all because it has helped me. I have practiced this and it has really helped me. So it's like tested and properly understood. First and foremost, let me explain to you all what thread lightly means. इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन इट्स एज सिंपल एज सेइंग कि सोच समझ के बोलिए, संभाल के बोलिए. And now if I explain to you all the factors, then it simply means that talk with kindness, take care while talking, think before you speak, have that caring attitude, do not leave your grace, do not leave your dignity, and just speak whatever comes in your mind and hurt someone else's feelings, or even self-sabotage yourself, in a way. So वो सब रिस्ट्रिक्ट करने के लिए हमेशा ये वर्ड यूज़ कीजिए, थ्रेड लाइटली, जब भी आपको ऐसे लगे कि समथिंग इज़ हैम्परिंग. Now, like I had put in my previous videos about how words can even affect a person's well-being, mental well-being हो, emotional well-being हो, जो भी आप नाम देना चाहें, वो एक इंसान को अफेक्ट करता है. उसको उस चीज़ का समझ रहता है, चाहे वो खुद को अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहा हो या दूसरे उसको अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो, बिकॉज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन दिस बोथ द इंटरनल एंड द एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स प्ले अ ह्यूज रोल. यू नीड टू नो वेयर टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन. यू नीड टू नो कि आप किसकी बात सुनना चाहते हो, बिकॉज लोग बहुत कुछ कहेंगे, बहुत सारे ओपिनियंस होंगे, बट इट इज़ योर लाइफ एंड यू नीड टू टेक दैट with understanding, with utmost consciousness, and with greater empathy. One more point I would like to specify over here, that when you stand up for yourself, for your dignity, when you fight for your rights, or for your for the in front of people who are unhealthy critics, or be it toxic environment, do know that what you're doing is for yourself, and you're stating or making that person understand that this is how you are, this is how your life is, and this is how you want to go on with your life. And you're clearly drawing a line, and that is a boundary, a healthy boundary, to make that person understand that this is it. Now, how you say it, when you say it, why you say it, is in your hands. Let me tell you all something of how this idiom, thread lightly, can affect someone's mental health or someone's emotions or overall well-being. First and foremost, जब हम किसी इंसान को जानते हैं ना, तो हमको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि या आई नो अबाउट हर और हिम, आई नो व्हाट डिसीजन शी विल टेक. हम हमेशा अज्यूम करते हैं कि वो ये डिसीजन लेगा या लेगी, वो ये सोच रही होगी या सोच रहा होगा, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, बिकॉज हम कंसिस्टेंटली वो नेचर देखा हुआ रहता है और हमको लगता है कि हाँ, ये ऐसे ही होगा, ऐसे ही होगा एंड ऑल. But half of the energy is wasted in presumption and assumption, and what happens is, it just ruins the essence and the beauty of it all. So do understand, first and foremost, that every person is different, every person has his or her own journey in this life. Next point is, just because you know someone does not give you the right to judge that person, does not give you the right to tell that person that this has to be done, this should be done, or your life will be chaotic. Because you don't know what kind of battles that person has gone through. उसने कैसे और किस टाइप की लड़ाई लड़ी है, जस्ट बिकॉज वो आपने देखी नहीं है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसने लड़ाई लड़ी ही नहीं है. जस्ट बिकॉज आपको ऊपर ऊपर से पता है, किसी और के बोलने से पता चला है, सो इट डज नॉट मीन that you know the person very well, you know the challenges the person has gone through. Do understand that every person has his or her challenges, barriers in form of anything. It can be person, time, place, anything. So be very kind and very thoughtful. Next point I would like to make here, that the age, your status in the society, and your educational qualification does not uh, qualify you that you are someone great or the greatest individual. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You don't know what kind of challenges a person has gone through, and when I say this, I say it with utmost consciousness. There is no, I don't mean to demean anyone over here. Do understand that when a person goes through challenges, life doesn't see whether he is qualified, she is qualified. Life doesn't see what age he or she is. Life doesn't see the social status, or even forget about social status, even the thinking capacity or thinking capability. Just throws the challenges to you. It can be in form of anything, all right? So do understand to always tread lightly, to always understand more about the situation, about the person, because ये आपने देखा ही होगा कि जब बारी आती है लोगों को जज करने की, तो वो खुद के लिए हमेशा सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर रखते हैं और दूसरों के लिए रूथलेस क्रिटिक बन जाते हैं. So you need to know, and this needs to be a lesson. It was a lesson to me once upon a time also, not to depend on external factors for any kind of criticism, be it healthy criticism or be it unhealthy, be it appreciation or be it understanding about my own self, because for me it was utmost important to know myself, and I really, really thank this psychology field of mine for it. To conclude, I would like to just remind you all to be kind to yourself, because it's not just about external factors, it's also about your internal factors. जो आप सोच रहे हो खुद के बारे में, आप कितना खुद को क्या आप unnecessarily खुद को importance दे रहे हो या importance दे ही नहीं रहे हो, ये भी काउंट होता है. Because हर चीज़ में बैलेंस इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. सो वेन एवर यू फील लाइक यू आर गोइंग ऑफ द बैलेंस or something like that, learn to bring yourself back, learn to focus, meditate करिए, journaling करिए, counseling के लिए जाइए, because ये thread lightly जो मैंने बोला है यहाँ पे, it is a constant reminder. It will help you also to be empathetic towards your own self as well as others. Thank you so very much for your time to watch this video. Always remember, thread lightly, सोच के, समझ के, जगह देख के, इंसान देख के बोलिए या एक्सप्रेस कीजिए, because it is important for your well-being as well as it is important for the other person's well-being, where it is said, how it is said, it all counts. Do know that it is extremely important for your psychological understanding, for your psychological well-being as well. Thank you again and take care, and do remember to thread lightly.